Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can make responses you have received from the artificial intelligence and Claude AI private, for example, in the Claude AI application on mobile. So let us guide you through this. So head over to Claude AI on your Android, for example, and let's assume you just shared one of your responses or conversations you have had with the artificial intelligence here in Claude AI with your friends, for example, via direct messaging services, emails, SMS, and so on and so forth. You can make these conversations and chats private again so that anyone with the link you have shared it with won't be able to access that conversation anymore. So let me show you how to do that, guys. What you want to do is access the given conversations. Let me go with this one here. And next, what you want to do is tap into these three dots here, these three connected dots below the given message or conversation to change the accessibility of the given conversation with Claude AI. So if it's public, guys, it will probably select it here with anyone with the link so that you may share that link and thus also the conversation with your contacts. But if you'd like to make it private again, simply switch to only you. And that is going to disable any shareable link for that conversation. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.